I want to know why he won't abide by court orders.
Before this hearing even begins, remember one thing. Judge Boyd wants answers, not excuses. Mr. Toriano has support, a job, and no prison history, but today isn't about his past. It's about why he violated a protective order. This case gets tense fast. Let's begin.
Mr. Toriano, we talked before you came up here today, correct?
Yes, sir.
Earlier today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I discussed the pre-sentence report and everything that was in it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, in terms of the events, do you accept responsibility for what happened?
Yes, sir.
Was it your fault?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have been on probation in the past, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
A number of times.
Yes, sir.
And have you completed all of your probation successfully?
Yes, sir.
I think you had one prior felony probation that you were on, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you completed that.
Yes, sir.
And your misdemeanor probations, you also completed those, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been to prison?
Never been in prison, sir.
Okay. Were you employed at the time of this event?
Yes,
And how long had you been employed?
8 years.
And do you believe that you could get a job if you were placed on community supervision
Yes, sir.
fairly quickly?
Yes, sir.
Is it your habit to keep employment for a long time or a short time?
For a long time, sir.
Now, you have family support, correct?
Yes, sir. My 87-year-old grandma, she's here.
Okay.
And I'm uncle also.
And so your grandmother and your uncle are here in court today in support of you, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
And your grandmother is 90, correct?
87.
She's 90. Just spoke to her. She's 90 years old and she's here today.
Yes, sir.
And your mother was not able to attend, is that correct?
That's correct.
Because she's in California.
That is correct.
But you have a good relationship with her.
Yes.
So you have a lot of support. Do you tell the judge why you think you could succeed on probation?
I can succeed because I want to be there for my grandmother and my family, and I just want to move forward with my life and continue my career as a network technician. I apologize for anything that's caused, and apologize to everybody, and I love everybody.
Do you have any substance abuse problems,
No.
drug problems, alcohol problems?
No.
Okay. You're a high school graduate, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you were also intending, or did you attend technical school?
Technical school, 2 years.
And counsel, I'm so sorry to interrupt. This is what I want to know.
Mhm.
Because he's applied for probation on a violation of bond protective order, assault, stalking. I want to know why he won't leave this lady alone, because it appears she doesn't want to be involved with him anymore. So that's what I want an answer for, because we're here because there was a court order in place saying you were not to have any contact with her. The stipulations were that she was out with friends. You all were not together and you followed her and you wouldn't leave her alone. This is what you stipulated to, right? I want to know why he won't abide by court orders.
You're on. I apologize about that.
No. I don't. I appreciate your apology, but that's not what I need. I'm trying to figure out why, because a court has ordered you not to have contact with her. According to what you stipulated to, she was out with friends and you were stalking her. You were following her. You violated the bond.
The judge is checking his background, employment, probation success, family support. But none of this will matter if he can't follow court orders. Judges focus on patterns, not good moments. And right now, the biggest question is whether he can be trusted again after this violation.
The protective order.
Yes, sir.
I want to know why he's violating the protective order, because that's an order, right?
Yes, sir.
And it says you are not to do certain things. And according to what you stipulated to, you did those certain things.
Yes,
If I were to place you on probation, I'm going to order that you do certain things.
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
trying to figure out why you didn't follow the previous order. What do you mean it was a mistake?
Mistake. How we were talking. That's
Well-
the reason why I was put it up.
There's an order in place. You're not supposed to do that. Are you saying you didn't know about the order?
I didn't know about it.
All right, so then it's not a mistake that you talked to her. You knew about the order and you started following her. I'm trying to figure out why you're doing that.
I was in love with it.
I'm sorry, what?
I was in love with it, Your Honor.
All right, and how old are you?
43.
All right. You may continue.
And I did want to point out, Judge, that based on the stipulations, I don't dispute what the court's saying. However, there's also, and I reviewed it before coming forward today, that she went to his apartment and it was at his, from the bar to his apartment, and she doesn't indicate that she was forced to go there.
Okay.
So she was there, and then he was there, and of course, he was in violation of the order. Do you believe that you have learned that what you did was wrong?
Yes, yes, sir.
Will it ever happen again
No, sir.
with that woman or any woman or man
That is correct.
that has an order in place that you cannot be around them?
I understand.
Will you do it again?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
Do you believe that part of your motivation was your emotional attachment,
That is correct. Yes, sir.
but now your brain is involved, correct?
Yes.
Your reasoning is involved. Will it happen again?
No, sir.
Here the judge cuts through everything. Why didn't he follow the no contact order? Calling it a mistake doesn't work when he admits he knew about it. The judge is testing whether this was emotional impulsiveness or a deliberate choice, and that answer will determine his fate.
All right, so this is what it says in the stipulations. Making location, I spoke with victim one who stated that she went out to a local bar with friends. And that is where the original contact with S1, your S1 suspect, occurred. Victim stated that she did not invite or notify the suspect of her location, and the suspect follows and stalks her. Suspect made contact with her and told victim that she needed to go back to his residence to pick up some clothing that belonged to the victim. The victim went to the suspect's location, and victim stated that she got into an argument with the suspect. Victim stated that as she tried to leave his residence, suspect began to make physical contact with victim and bit victim on her right upper arm. Victim attempted to leave the location and rushed down the stairway. Victim stated suspect dragged her up the stairway in an attempt to prevent victim from leaving. This resulted in victim getting bruising on her left leg. Victim stated she then left the location, and that is when she called the police to notify them of the incident. Those are the stipulations. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Taking consideration 2025 AL 0072, the record, what I can tell you is the complainant no longer wants to be in a relationship with you. When you're released, if you have any items of hers, drop them off at the police station, wherever it may be. You
I
understand?
move on with my mom. So
Okay.
I just want to go to California.
All right, good luck to you. And counsel, if you remain, state will give you the dismissals.
Oh,
Thank you.
The judge hands down 5 years, stressing the seriousness of violating protective orders. Once trust breaks, consequences follow fast. This case shows how quickly situations escalate. If this breakdown helped you understand a ruling, hit like, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more intense courtroom analyses.